Welcome to DWBI Adda channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Welcome back to another video tutorial on PostgreSQL. Today we are going to import and export CSV file from and to the local working directory. To do this operation, we will use pgadmin tool. Let's start the session. We are starting with import option. We have to follow the below steps to successfully import the CSV file. First, we have to inspect the CSV file and make note of file structure. I mean column name and data type, file delimiter, etc. We are now going to the file location. We will work with this client CSV file. Let's open it. This first row is the column name. Name of the first column is ID and the data type is integer. First name, last name, email and contact contain character data, and data type of DOB is date type. And finally is a comma separated file. Now we are returning to the second step. We are going to create a new table using the same structure of CSV file. Let's go to the pgadmin. This is our create table statement. It will create a new table client with total 6 columns. The data type of ID will be integer, DOB will be date, and others will be type of varchar. Let's create the table. The client table has successfully created. Now this select statement will return the structure of the table. So we have a table with the name client and it doesn't have any data now. After refreshing the table, it will be also available in this section. So the client table is available now. Now we are going to the next steps. In the third step, we will import the CSV data in the new table, and in final step, we will display the data. Let's back to pgadmin. First, we have to select the table in which we want to import the data. Our table is client. Then right click and select import export option. Let's change this to import. In the file name section, we have to specify the file client. Client file is available in the folder PostgreSQL_DWBI. Select the client CSV, then press select. The format is CSV. Then header will be yes. So the first row will be treated as header. Finally, OK. So CSV data have successfully imported to the table client. Now we display the data using select statement. So all the data are available in the client table. Now we will continue with export option. First, we have to select the table from which we want to export the data. Then using export import option, we will export the data and finally check the newly created CSV file in the working directory. Let's back to pgadmin. We want to export all the data from this book table. So first we have to select the book, then right click and choose the export import option. This time we will choose export, then file location in where we want to export the data file. We will choose our working directory and let's give a name of the file book and the type will be CSV. Let's create it. The format will be CSV and the header will be yes. Now we will press OK. So data has successfully exported and created a new CSV file. So pgadmin created a new CSV file with the data of book table. Let's check the file in the working directory. So this is our newly created book.csv and it contains the similar set of data as book table has. So we have successfully exported the data, and with this we are finishing the demonstration. Now returning to the presentation. Today, first we have imported the CSV data to the PostgreSQL table and finally exported the book table data as CSV file format. That's all for today. See you in the next tutorial.